right now we're strictly year one, right now with the apprentices first year starting out. But basically what it is we have classroom instruction. Sometimes, the number will be gone. We use the lab out at Iowa Western. So we go out there, we'll spend time working with stuff like basic electrical, basic refrigeration, making sure that, yes, we want to get the standard for what the U.S. Department of Labor has, but I also want them to develop some skills. We can also convert that to metric. It's kind of the why behind the how. So you get the classroom side to what they're doing in the field.
Yeah, that's supposed to be part of the pump reservoir.
They can learn the basic fundamentals of heating and air conditioning theory. They can learn, we learn airflow. We can learn diagnostics. We can learn troubleshooting.
Push together like that.
The reason I'm taking the apprenticeship program is my work's paying for it. I get to further my education and further my career. It means a lot that they're providing us the space to further our education. They have this great equipment room where we can really get hands-on and really see how things work and understand what's going on.
Page 39. Gavin's a great example of the type of people that we want to have in the apprenticeship program. For every person that's coming in, 3 people are leaving the industry. In 20 years, they're talking about service calls and prices now. It might be 2 to 3 times what it is now if we don't start developing the workforce to take these jobs on.
Doing great here at Iowa Western is meeting the students where they want their classes to be delivered. That's where we as education have to definitely change our ways and make sure we're doing that. Here at Iowa Western, we're doing that.